Do you ever wish you had a crystal ball to see what's going to happen in the future? What would you like to find out? Do we have driverless cars? Do robots serve you in shops? Is there a green future with no energy concerns? Or fully digital cities? Predicting the future is not easy, but looking into the future with grammar should never be a problem. In the next few minutes, we're going to look at how to form the future tense in a clear and precise way, leaving nothing to chance, and definitely not using a crystal ball. Let's find out more. This is Think 4. There are two forms of the future tense in French, something we are going to do and something we will do. Let's start with things that we are going to do. This is really straightforward, as the pattern in French is exactly the same as it is in English. Take this example. Tomorrow, I'm going to play tennis. In French, this is formed by using the verb to go, which is aller, plus an infinitive. It is exactly the same as English. Going from the verb to go and to play is the infinitive. So what does that look like in French? Demain, tomorrow, je vais, I am, going, jouer, to play. Au tennis, tennis. All you need to know for this construction is the present tense of the verb aller and add on an infinitive. Je vais, tu vas, il, elle va, nous allons, vous allez, ils, elles vont. Let's look at these examples. Je vais regarder, I'm going to watch. Nous allons faire, we're going to do. Elles vont chanter, they are going to sing. It really is as simple as that. The other way of expressing the future tense in English is to say what we will do. Again, this is super easy to form in French. Literally, all you have to do is to take the infinitive of the verb you want to put in the future tense and stick on a new ending. Let's take jouer, to play. We want to say, I will play. Je jouerai. Tu joueras. Il, elle jouera. Nous jouerons. Vous jouerez. Ils, elles joueront. As you can see, all we've done is added a new ending to the infinitive, jouer. Je jouerai. I will play. However, keep your wits about you with RE verbs. If the infinitive ends in RE, drop the final E before adding the future endings. Let's use prendre, to take, as an example. Je prendrai, I will take. Or attendre, to wait. Nous attendrons, we will wait. So is that it? I hear you ask. Well, no, not quite. Yup, you guessed correctly. There are always some irregulars. If the verb is irregular in the present tense in French, it is irregular in all tenses, including the future tense. Unfortunately, not all verbs follow this simple pattern. Some verbs have an irregular stem, but the future tense endings are the same. 4 of the most common irregular verbs are aller, être, avoir, and faire. There are, of course, many others which you will come across, and you'll simply just have to learn them as you meet them. Let's start with aller, to go. Here, the stem is IR and not aller. But note the endings are the same as all the other future tense endings. J'irai, tu iras, il, elle, on ira, nous irons, vous irez, il and elles iront. With être, the future stem is ser, avoir is or, and faire is faire. Again, the following endings are applied to all these stems: AI, AS, A, ONS, EZ, ONT. You can see that it's not necessary to have a crystal ball or use a psychic to find out how the future tense is formed in French. Follow the simple rules, apply them to your written work, and I can see a great result in the future for you. This was Think 4. Thanks for watching.